I know, you want something efficient, original, fast to customize and also very simple and easy to use. Placeit is a solution. Let's do this a bet. If I create a cool logo in just 1 minute, you subscribe to my channel. If not, well, I'm pretty sure that won't happen. Timer! At Placeit, click on Logos and write the name of my team. I choose the industry, which will be soccer at sports. If I want to, I can make some changes at the upper part and see them reflected immediately, or just select the logo that I like the most to edit it further. On the left, I can change the type font and colors, edit my original text, or get rid of it. At the right, I select the colors for the background, main color, and accent. And finally, I can choose the image that goes just perfect with my team. There you go! You can keep the time left. Surf through Placeit's library and find more logos, mockups, video mockups, banners, Insta stories, and so much more. Let me know in the comments if you want more 1-minute videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.